G'day! So I purchased one of these to put in my Caravan, and I was curious on what the overall quality of it would be like. So since it simply runs off 12 volt, I could hook it up to my 12 volt battery in the Caravan and use it to charge most things USB. What drew me towards it was the 3 ports, apparently supporting Quick Charge 3.0 and Power Direct. I'm a bit skeptical on that. And also having the on-off switch. So right now we're off, I turn it on, and right now Power Direct is going at about 8 watts, up to 11 watts. And my phone is acknowledging fast charging. I've tried on both the ports, both of them seem to output fairly similar amount of wattage. Granted, this is a relatively charged phone. One issue I did have with it when I first got it was the earth wire came off the board due to lack of solder. If I spin it around here, what will we see? 12 volt to 240. So output on the QC3 is a maximum of 12 volt at 1.5 amp. Right now we're 12 volt at 0.5 amp. Not sure if I need to turn that up on my amp reader. I might disconnect my phone first before doing that. If I go A, no, that's not letting me manually adjust it right now. So if that tweaked, plug this back in, acknowledged. Can I manually adjust that? No, it's just what it's pulling. So it's pulling 0.6 amp. But yeah, I had the earth cable come off, so I had to resolder that on. And also make the hole a little bit bigger on the back so it didn't snap off again. Yeah, let's try the Type C to Type C on the Power Direct. Super fast charging. So this is using Power Direct. Plugged into the PD3, and it's now doing 1 amp of power, running at around about 12.5 watts. If we look on here, we can pull higher ampage on the Power Direct. Really not hugely that much different, but it can pull 3 amp as opposed to 1.5. Where right now, even though I'm using that, it's only pulling about 1. Granted, my battery is pretty charged, so the phone itself is probably not drawing that in to save the battery life. So I plan on putting this up in my kitchen area. And at least then I can stick some phones up high, up on a bench out of the way. So I think this was around about $20 Australian. So far it seems to be an okay purchase. So I'm going to install that and go from there. But right now, what it's pulling seems to be pretty accurate to what it recommends or suggests it's going to do on the back. So I'm pretty happy with that for now. Even though long term I'm not sure how well it will go. But I assume it shouldn't give me too many dramas. And if I do get dramas, well, another video may be incoming. But for now, so far, for the price I paid, not bad.